Welcome everyone, and thank you to be with us today. We are very happy to share this moment with you for our first webinar together about inspection flow. First slide, safety first. So as you know, it's an important thing for us at Metrologic DCS. So please take care of the cybersecurity, psychological safety, and emergency exit. Summary of today, a quick introduction of Metrologic DCS, who we are, what is inspection flow, what kind of problem inspection flow solves, the benefits and what inspection flow does in the real life, a demonstration, and we will finish by the Q&A session. Our mission is to develop and deploy innovative and universal 3D metrology solutions from the tolerance optimization to an advanced analysis of your data. About us at Metrologic DCS, we close the loop between the design, manufacturing, and inspection. We decide to merge with DCS to offer our customers a complete solution from the tolerance and assembly optimization to an advanced analysis while keeping our core business, the precise and reliable 3D metrology inspection solution. So don't be surprised about our new branding. The blue is now our new color. With more than 45 years of experience, we can assist you, help you with your big project from the simplest to the most complex. Our headquarters are based in Grenoble, France, and in Troy, Michigan, in the US. And our solution every day are used in inspection labs, production floor, and engineering departments to improve precision, reliability, to keep the full control of the quality process. We are part of Sandvik Group. Sandvik is a global engineering company specializing in advanced manufacturing technologies, materials, solution, and industrial tools. We are fortunate to have a global presence through our different resellers and various offices in the Europe, US, Asia, but also in the South America. Today, Metrolog and the DCS product are available in more than 20 languages and used in more than 60 countries. We are proud of our core value, winning together, the curiosity, responsibility, and the customer focus to be always be close of you. In addition to our development and testing teams delivering 2 major releases each year, we provide a comprehensive support through our hotline, training program, and professional services for your custom project. We also offer CMM maintenance and retrofit services for long performance and reliability. Our solutions are designed for multiple industries, including, of course, automotive, aerospace, and defense, but also more high-tech markets, such as medical device, luxury watchmaking, for example. We have more than 30 key accounts and 7,500 active users. Next slide, and how, with the Metrologic DCS product, we can close the loop. First one, with 3DCS to define and optimize your tolerances, Planner to prepare your work and plan your inspection, Silma to create offline your program, create your digital environment, Metrolog to be connected to the real device and measure online, and at the end, QDM for the analysis, report, and statistical analysis. So now focus on the topic of today, what is inspection flow? The objectives of this chapter is to understand what is inspection flow, our vision, the focus on the entire process, and its roles in relation to our existing products. So what is inspection flow? First, inspection flow is a metrology intelligence platform. In other words, it connects inspection data come from different place, different stage of production. and it organizes everything with a clear structure. Second point, it's a powerful analytics layer ready for AI. It takes data from your machines, your tools, your site, your programs, and brings it all together in a single place so your teams can finally see the full picture. Point number three is a scalable solution. It connects three roles that are usually separate: metrology, process control, and manufacturing together for the first time. Point number four, inspection flow turns your inspection data into something useful: statistical insight, operational alerts, information that is ready for AI, so you can make better decision faster. Inspection flow brings a deep understanding of tolerances, GD&T, and metrology traceability. To summarize, inspection flow is not just a tool, it's an intelligence layer for smarter, faster, more connected manufacturing. Inspection flow doesn't say just what is wrong, but why and what to do to reduce reworks and scrap rate. Our vision is to move to a data-centric approach, where data is at the core of the entire process. As you can see, everything is centralized in the inspection flow, connecting all the teams and all the departments. But we are not thinking about inspection or metrology. Our goal is to improve the entire manufacturing process. Our goal is to centralize and connect all quality and inspection data and to deliver a reliable and real-time statistical insight. We want to be informed at any time, any moment, every step of the manufacturing life cycle. The ideal scenario is simple. If one part is bad or out of tolerances, it's detected immediately, and the following parts are as close to perfect as possible. Inspection flow starts your industrial AI journey by bringing all your shop floor data together. On this slide, we look at the full manufacturing process from the design to the verification. Our goal is not to change what you, as a customer, are already doing. The goal is to keep the same products and the same skills. What we bring is an additional layer that connects everything together. This is where inspection flow comes in. Inspection flow is a central platform that manages the inspection process, collects and stores all data, and connects the entire process, entire system. As a result, everything becomes centralized, data is accessible in real time, and the goal is simple: create a fully connected system, more digitalization, faster communication, and immediately we want to close the loop. So now we will see what kind of problems inspection flow solves. The objective of this chapter, what breaks today for the customer, what inspection flow does for solve this point, and focus on the general pain points. So today, as you know, data is fragmented across different tools and sites. But now, with inspection flow, we replace that with a centralized and governed data ecosystem. One single source of truth, accessible and reliable. Point number two, today statistical analysis is manual and always done after the fact. So it's not possible today in 2026. So now, with inspection flow, we move to a real-time actionable manufacturing insight, so teams can act now and not tomorrow. Point number three, today's information sits in silos and visibility is limited. With inspection flow, we bring total transparency and cross-team collaboration. This is very important. Everyone sees the same data at the same time. Today, the feedback to the design team is often slow and informal. With inspection flow today, we want to replace it with a structured and automated feedback loops, and we are taking it a step beyond. The data is future ready, providing assist decision making. In short, inspection flow doesn't just solve today the problem, it's prepare us for what's come next. Let's talk now about the benefits with inspection flow. Objective of this chapter is to focus on the benefits and talk about who should care. This slide is about how inspection flow brings everything together, design, production, and quality into a single platform. So, first point about the collaborative management. The platform works as a shared workspace. It breaks down the walls between your quality, engineering, and IT teams. So everyone works from the same data, the same standards, and the same workflow. Point number two, the scale platform. From a single site to a global network of sites, the platform adapts to your needs. You have an access to the same consistent data everywhere. Third, close the loop feedback. This is where it gets really powerful. Inspection results are sent back in real time to the design team. So they can adjust tolerances and improve processes based on what's actually happening on the shop floor and not just on the paper. Point number four, actionable intelligence. The platform doesn't just show you the result, it helps you act on them. The built-in statistical engine immediately detects trend and change in processes, allowing your teams to make better decisions. So it's not just a review of your report. Now let's talk about who actually benefits from this solution. First, design engineers. They need real feedback from production to adjust and optimize their tolerances and GD&T specifications. Second, maybe quality directors and manager because they need a strong feedback to take the better decision with their team. Third, manufacturing and operation directors. Their priority is to resolve issue faster. Point number four, the plant manager. They don't want surprise. They want stable processes day to day. And maybe finally could be interest the continuous improvement manager. As you can see, this solution addresses real pain point across multiple roles, from the design office to the director managers. Let's go now for the demonstration with inspection flow. When you log in with your account, you can choose which business unit you want to work on, which allows you to filter the different projects if needed. Now let's talk about our account and access. Today I have a full access. I will be an operator, I will be a quality manager and programmer today. And I can, if I want, change various settings, maybe the language, the theme, and switching between light and dark mode. We can create also additional business unit if your company evolves or grows. You have a full control over this with inspection flow. Now with the action menu, you can view the last action performed. For example, if you convert a specific model or start a product with inspection flow. Now let's talk about what we call asset management. So you have an access to all your models to inspect all your measurement resources, all your CMM, arm, or maybe caliper, and you have an access to all your rules. For example, if you want to specific rules to analyze and inspect cylinders, and an access to all the computer allows to start inspection flow. Now it's time to go on the process menu, and using the project tree, you can find all your project and document in this page. Some already have results or other or still in progress. We can add some subfolder if necessary without any problem. Imagine I want to inspect a new part start a new document. So I have to go on the good subfolder like this and create a new inspection. So I have to create first a new document. So to create a new document, I have to click on New, select a name for my document. So demonstration with MBK part, for example, and set some information about the details. So for example, today it will be demonstration for the webinar. I have always the possibility to select on which project I want to work on. And the next step is to select my model, so the MBK today, and select in which measurement resources I want to work with. So I have the possibility to select multiple CMM. And if I want to use specific rules, I can select on this page. I click on Save, and my document is ready to be used with all the information necessary to work with. So now the job of the quality manager is done. So I can change my cap, and I will become a preparer. So I am close to the design department, and I have an access to all the documents ready to be prepared, ready to be to get a new inspection plan. So I'm going to the demonstration with MBK document, and I will start create a new inspection plane. So I select my name, demo V1. I can add some comments. Today I want to decode only the model with all the PMI. And as you see, Planner is automatically start by the application, by inspection flow. And my next step is to create an inspection plan collector to decode all the GD&T, all the plane, all the cylinders, and all the view. I have the possibility now to add a specific view if necessary. I'm free to add a detailed view like this. So I put my name, full annotation 2. The possibility also to check with the scan GD&T the status of each PMI, each GD&T, and this will be changed during the inspection with the result. Now I want to assign rules with Planner, so I can add, for example, also specific alignment because I'm close to the design department and I know on which alignment I have to use. So the job is done. For example, I can click on close, and I don't have to save anything. All is automatically saved by Planner, and I have some possibility to delete, validate, edit the file. Maybe if I want to edit some information, it's possible with inspection flow. So, for example, just change this. And for the example, I will validate the inspection plan. So I click on yes. But now imagine I want to add something because something changed. I can create a review directly from my inspection plan V1. So I just have to change. It's not the inspection plan V1, but the V2. And I had the comment to be precise. So I want to add a flatness on the plane number 4. So just have to start again Planner, always with inspection flow. So it's automatically start. Just open, just create, the flatness. So I'm going to the flatness. Can change the name if necessary. I'm free to do it. And select the plane number 4. Click on OK. Change maybe the value of the tolerance, 0.2. Click on OK. And my flatness is added on the features database. So just now click on close, but just before I want to focus on the report. I can create a specific report if necessary for the end of the inspection. As you can see, now I have to validate the inspection plane V2. So I click on validate and yes. So like this, I have only one inspection plane to work with. So I can change my cap now. My job is done. So I can become programmer offline. So imagine I am in another country, maybe it's possible. And I have to select now my document. So always demonstration with MBK and select the CMM to create my program. So I want to select today the Pantec. And like inspection plane, I have to create a new version of my program. So demonstration prog V1 and select the put some comments. So today I want to work with the inspection path planning. So I click on save and automatically my work cell, my model is open with a Sigma. I have my head and all the features automatically updated thanks to my inspection plane from Planner, all my view also. And now I have to use a quick rules to put the head in a safety position, so it's moved automatically. And the next step now is to select all the features I want to inspect. So I select all the plane and all the cylinders, and I will use the inspection path planning. I click on OK, like this, and I have all the rules. So I have the trajectories for each features, each cylinders and plane. I can use the collision management to avoid any collision and activate the probe automatically and just click on the calculator. And all my trajectories will be automatically generate thanks to Sigma. I can click on OK, so all is green, so all the trajectories and orientation are fine. And my program is already created. So just have to just need few clicks like this. And if I want, I can maybe select the path planning to see all the trajectories easily. I can click on play to check if my program is good or not. And as you can see, the CMM is moving and take all the cylinders and all the plane on my program. So I can click and play with the speed like this, and just want to check if I have collision or not. Today it's fine, so I can trust to inspection, path planning, and Sigma. So when it's done, I can click on OK, and like Planner, I can close Sigma, and I don't think about save the program. It's automatically done by inspection flow. I can always change some information, but I want to validate it in this case. So now the program is validated and the job of the programmer is done, and I will execute now because now I am operator. I am operator and I want to execute my program generated by my colleague just before. So I select my document and select the CMM to run my inspection, to run my program, sorry. Metrolog will be automatically started by inspection flow. And I have the possibility now to run my program on Metrolog. So today I'm not really connected to a CMM, but imagine I'm connected to a CMM with a real default. So just have to validate some message information and play with the speed because I'm not connected. So I don't not need to talk about it. But my program is running. All the features are measured by my head and my probe, and I have the possibility to perform a new run. So I click on yes because I have many parts to inspect today. So I can click on yes for each part, and I don't have to save any work. All is saved by inspection flow. And now it's time for the SPC analyze. Analyze the result with a relevant stakeholder. So it's a perfect moment for precise, high quality feedback based on the factual data. So we have an advanced statistical analysis here that can be shared with multiple departments to close the loop and improve efficiency. So in the event of default, we have some alert could be sent to facilitate faster decision making. So it's very important to be aware at any time and depending the department. So please remember, Inspection Flow is a metrology intelligent platform designed to connect and contextualize inspection data across the manufacturing lifecycle process. So I hope you really enjoy the demonstration, and it will be time now for the Q&A session. Thank you.